Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new BNB earning boot where you can earn BNB for free and earn a huge benefit from this free boot. How can you reach here? I will provide a link in the description and you will reach here without wasting any time. You can see that we have only 4 question available to solve this question and you will earn 3000 BNB Satoshi for completing these tasks. How can you complete? I will tell you right now. Click on first one, that is BNB network news, and you have to click on join option now. After joining this boot, then come to the second one option, that is Mr. Airdrop team, and click on it and you can see that I already joined it, so that I also come in my channel. And airdrop form, that is also available and you can see that I already join it. Now we have last one, airdrop find team, and you can see that I already join it. Now after join all these 4 boots, then click on continue option. Now these are mandatory tasks. If you can't complete this task, then you will not be able to get a huge benefit from it. Click on submit detail for continue submit details option, and you can see the follow our Twitter page and must comment, like and share airdrop farm post. Must complete these tasks, then submit your email ID for proceed. You have to join, follow on Twitter page and like and share airdrop farm post to be able to continue in this way. I am going to complete this task. Further I will tell you how much ways you have to earn a huge benefit from this free boot. Now here you can see that I already follow the Twitter page and airdrop form post. You also need to must comment, like and share this post, and after do all these 2 completing tasks, then you have to enter your email. And now after enter your email, now you submit your BNB smart channel, which is BEP20, and recommend you to use trust wallet to able to earn a huge benefit. Now after do all this stuff, then click on balance option. Now you can see that how much balance I have in my account right now. If you submit wrong data, then you can restart the boot and resubmit the data again by clicking on start option. I'm sure that you already understand all these tasks. How can you earn a huge benefit? Click on referral system option now, and here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If a person join this boot and you can earn 1000 of BNB Satoshi from each referral boot. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now click on withdraw option. Now either they paid us whenever you have 0.5000 BNB Satoshi in your account right now. Now you just need to refer your more friends from this boot to earn a huge benefit. Now hopefully you like it, you love it. If you want to get this type of more free earning BNB boot, you need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notify yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.